Look, I think when we step back and have a look at it, we've got some big trends that are going on.
And how is this going to impact property prices in rural areas? I was reading about how New Zealand has been converting a lot of these farms that have cows and sheep, and they've been converting them into forestry. So even though there's strong demand for New Zealand meat internationally, there's going to be less of it. What is going to happen long term with these rural property prices given this surge now? Is it going to keep continuing?
Well, the conversion of forestry is being, I think, slowed now that there's been some changes to the emissions trading scheme, which was encouraging a lot of forestry conversions, and also moves to make sure that it's being done mainly on sort of more marginal land which you can't really run livestock on readily. Look, I think when we step back and have a look at it, we've got some big trends that are going on, but we've still got strong demand for our dairy and our beef. There's less focus though on expanding herd sizes, more of a focus on efficiency on farm, which is basically getting more milk or meat, out of your paddock in a sense. There is a bit of a shift which we've seen over a long time in the sheep meat area, where we're actually seeing declining numbers of sheep for decades now, actually. So there is quite a fundamental shift coming through there. But when you step back and have a look at what New Zealand is good at, it's good at growing things very quickly. We've got a good climate, we've got lots of water, so that sort of agriculture, horticulture, we always do have an edge in there. But that sector's not without challenges with adaptation to climate change, and even this sort of focus on its role in reducing or containing its own emissions, particularly for methane in the case of livestock.